This video is brought to you by TubeBuddy. If you need a powerful tool to help grow your channel, and TubeBuddy is the right tool for you. There's a link in the description for you to go install extension today. What's going on, everybody? In this YouTube tutorial, I'll show you guys how to enable or disable your YouTube subscriber count. Before I get right into this tutorial, I want to tell you guys that tonight at 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'll be doing vending in the 8 machine live stream. As you can see here, it's chapter 4, so don't miss out this opportunity. So I hope you guys will join in 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's get started. What you gotta do is make sure you're signed into the channel that you're using. Go to this little icon right here, go to YouTube settings, go to view additional features, and go to advanced. On the channel, go to advanced, and scroll all the way down where it says subscriber counts. You can choose either display the number of people subscribed to my channel, do not display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Just click which one you want to choose and make sure it will say click to save to make your changes. Click save. It will hide your subscriber count. If you want more subscribers, it's highly recommended is to display the number of people. So display the number of people to subscribe to your channel or my channel. That's highly recommended to show people how many people to people who are not subscribed to your channel. See how many subscribers to your channel. So recommend keep that checked. If you're new here for the first time, make sure you subscribe with the notifications on. Make sure you slap a like on this. Slap a like on this video. Stay tuned later for another live stream, and make sure you stay tuned for the live stream tonight. I'll be back for more Vegas Sport 15 Illustrator and Photoshop tutorials. I'm gonna try and get back into them this year. I'll see you guys in the next video.